Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Groton, local and long distance. Movers near me. Choose a local mover that is reliable and has fair prices, like Groton Local TM Movers. Local movers best understand what is required to move within a city successfully, and that's why they should be employed. A good local mover will also have insurance to help control potential losses or damages during the moving process. Trust Groton Long Distance 3 Movers to handle your long-distance relocation into or away from Groton or Massachusetts. They are a fantastic choice because they are experienced with moving between states or from one end to the other. Your goods will remain secure, and in the unlikely event of mishaps, damages, or losses to your property, they are covered by insurance. You can find cities across the nation with a comparable vibe and amenities to make you feel like you're still in Groton, so you can move far away from the city without missing it. To avoid going over budget when hiring a mover, request moving quotes from several movers and pick the least expensive option. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Groton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.